How you guys doing this morning? It is currently
8:01 p.m.
in the morning, heading towards the garage. Got some wonderful surprises I want to show y'all guys, and hopefully be a cool ass video today. So we finally made it here. For all y'all who don't know, who's been watching the channel, you will find out soon what I got special for you by the store. But in today's episode, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and do like a little bit of button-up stuff. Boxes that I have. I've been waiting almost about 2 weeks now to show y'all for this installment of today's video. I'm so happy to get it. Finally got it. Now you guys saw this last couple videos ago where I was talking about I had, some stuff. So of course we're going to be installing this Slave Master. Another little part for later on in the video. Here goes the big one. This is what I've been waiting for almost about 2 weeks. Let me show y'all everything that came in. Look at that. Crisp. Clean. Line. Clutch. The backing plate for this. The hose that connects to this. To the would-be master cylinder. Now this is my new master cylinder. And these are the lines. Now, what I want to do is take the time out. This is your brake booster that comes with the car. This thing is massive, y'all. Like, crazy huge. There is no comparison, y'all. No comparison of that versus the Chase Bay. Plus it's by Woodward. No, look how much smaller this is versus that. That's in your engine bay. So I would recommend, if you have the money, to get this. If you have the money. If you don't and you're just working with, or you're on the budget, this works just fine for what you need it for. But for me, I'm running big brake calibers and all that extra stuff, so I figure I'll go ahead and get the Chase Bay. Clutch cylinder, whatever you want to call this thing. That's the stock one, right? Still looks fairly new, fairly small, straight up, decent, versus the Woodward. I think I just like it because it's smaller, it's black, it's less compact. I mean, this still will work good, so I wouldn't even stress over this part too much. But I just try to get it because it's all, it's all Chase Bay. But yeah, y'all, I mean, just couldn't compare. And then the setup was so nice that some people might not think it was worth it to them, or think it's worth it at all. To me, it was worth it. So what I'm about to get ready to do, start putting this thing together. And I guess I just put you guys on a time lapse for that. So enjoy. I won't be doing too much talking until we get ready to install it, and I'll see how that goes. Live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up. Now I'm not going to tighten these all the way up. So we're about to start installing this Chase Bay brake booster. Everything should be easy and simple. Should be, but you know how things are. So take that. You take your nuts and bolts. Right? You start putting them through the holes like so. Right? See the Okay, so once you got all that installed, I'll take you guys inside the car and I shall show you where you should screw it at. Should be easy.
2 hours later.
Finally got the chase bay in here. You need to take a 13mm socket, which will be this one, or any one that's slim like that. No fat ones like that, because you won't be able to reach to get back up in here, as you can see. This side is clear, but that side is not. You can at least, I would say, to do this job, at least do it with 2 people. Well, that was hell. So an hour and a half later, that's finally in. Now we're gonna move on to the next step. Probably installing all these lines and wonderful stuff. Man, training so hard. But anyway, so I just want to update y'all what I've been doing. I put this adjustable valve on, which wasn't hard. Just unscrew that bolt, add it to this, add this line to that, and we are about to proceed with the next thing that we need to do. Open up this brake line set, find the shortest one, which would be this, and it told me, Chase Bay video told me to basically take this short end of this and attach it, take this little short one and attach it to this, to the driver's side brake line. So I believe, so give me a moment, let me set you guys up on the tripod. So I'm now attempting to take this brake line and attach it. This line right here and attach it to the outer, which is right here. It's marked and labeled. This is for the rear brakes. Since I got that line hooked up, guys, what I did was back off this nut a little bit. As you can see me tighten it now, hand tighten. So that is for the rear brake lines. What I'm about to do now is install the passenger side brake line. I'm gonna install that now. So that'll be taken care of, guys. And then take this, slide that back like so, which I don't think is gonna go, because I have to go inside the car, which I will bring y'all right about. Hey, you guys did care. Yes, you do like this episode. So, since you guys made it inside the car, you know, the same drill. Put the little pin in that hole right there. So that's what I'm about to do. Button up the top. and possibly zip tie these lines. So I finally got that in after a few minutes of wrestling with that. So now I'm gonna go up top here, right, and tighten these screws down right here, and then tighten the next part of the screws down, which are right here. And then from there, I'll close up the video, because the next video we will be installing the brake calipers, these brake lines that came with Chasebay. I gotta order another Chasebay brake line. That's gonna be for like the, no, sorry guys. That's gonna be for like the clutch and all that. So I gotta see what I gotta do about that. So this is the hardware I got left over. I have this and I have that. This right here I gotta drill a hole into. So that's no problem. This right here, it's just like a washer grommet for the other side. So I'll probably do that now. But yeah, I'm gonna close up the video with that, y'all. You guys take care and enjoy the rest of your day. There's no Natty Bowl coming to you today. My sponsor, which is Technologies, I won't lie, it's not really sponsoring me, but I just want to hope they see this video and think it's funny. Although thank you for mad for anybody think it's funny. I'm just trying to make people laugh and have a good time. It's just me. But you guys take care. See y'all on the next episode. Peace.